In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use a mic and headset on the Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, it is possible for you to connect a combo headset and microphone on most consoles including Xbox. However, what if you try to connect specifically a USB mic and then a headset on your Xbox? So if you go ahead and you use one of the USB ports available to connect your microphone into the Xbox, it is going to be immediately noticeable that the microphone is not picked up. It is not plug and play because you will not be able to talk into the mic and hear yourself, or others in your party will not be able to tell that you are speaking over voice chat. It seems like regardless of which port you use or which USB microphone you connect, none of them will get detected. So as of today, is there a special method to do this? Is there some sort of workaround to this? Or is it completely impossible to use a USB microphone on an Xbox? Sadly, as it stands today, for whatever reason, on Xbox One and newer gen Xbox Series S or X, USB microphones do not work. For whatever reason, the USB format for microphones is not compatible on Xbox consoles. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using USB microphones on Xbox, unless an update is addressed and released to fix this. It seems like it is going to remain impossible to plug and play a USB microphone. You will have to connect a microphone to one of the other available methods, such as a P3 connector, because USB interface is not currently supported for Xbox consoles. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.